Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today I have a quick video to explain how I fixed my K1 Max's bed being out of level, but first let me give you a bit of backstory to how I got there. I recently got the K1 Max and have been doing a few test prints on it, and everything was going great. I'm preparing for a project where I'm going to use it to test multiple different materials that need an enclosed chamber, so I was testing multiple test pieces before I started on different printers, and that's where I first noticed the initial problem. The first issue was that the machine was under extruding, which was causing layer adhesion issues, but it was really noticeable when you compared the same part printed on multiple machines. This was easy enough to fix though, just by tuning the profile. Once this was fixed, I started printing parts across the whole print bed, and this is when the leveling issue showed up. It seemed anything printing in the front right of the machine was having bed adhesion issues, or the print just wasn't correct. In some cases, when it was printing in the front right, it caused the filament to jam. I think the nozzle was just too close to the bed and it was building up too much pressure, causing the gears to slip. So after running some tests and searching online, I found out that there was two known issues. One was bed warping and one was the plate alignment. The bed seems to distort quite a bit as it heats up, but eventually stabilizes. So before running bed leveling or running a print, you want to keep the bed at its final temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow it to reach its final location. For the bed alignment, I found many solutions online, from trying to adjust the lead screws to installing adjustment knobs, but I just wanted a simple solution, so I thought I could just shim the mounts of the low areas. My bed had a 0.8mm total variation, with the front right being the high point. I'm not sure what the max amount the machine can compensate for, but this may be the cause of my issues. I had washers that were 0.68mm in thickness, so I figured adding one to each of the 3 lower corners should bring the bed closer to level. The first step was taking out the 4 screws that hold the bed to the gantry. Then I used some CA glue to attach the washers to the spacers. Here I'm showing 2 washers being attached. I was originally going to put 2 at the back, but then I changed my mind after I filmed this. Now the spacers just need to be put back into place and all the screws tightened back down. Once the bed's back together, we'll bring it up to temperature and run bed leveling and see what it looks like. So after the changes, the total difference is down to 0.5mm. We can see the 3 of the corners are pretty close to each other, and now it's just the front left corner that's kind of higher than the rest. Let's see if we can fix that. I took the front left spacer out to see if I could just sand a little bit off the top to get it closer to the rest. With that change, I was able to get the total difference down to 0.26mm, and the whole bed is pretty flat now. I'm pretty sure this is within the tolerance for the auto bed leveling to compensate for. And that's it, a nice simple solution to the bed leveling problem. Now I can get back to testing the strength of different materials. So if this is something you might be interested in, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.